If you post on your WhatsApp status and you attract just viewers and not buyers, you literally get zero sales. You are doing something wrong. People watch but they don't buy because they don't trust you yet. They don't see the value clearly. Your content is entertaining, not persuasive. You are not telling them what to do. By the end of this video, you will know what to change so that buyers who are ready and willing to pay will start messaging you. You literally move from attracting unserious viewers to attracting real buyers. This is the exact framework I use, and if you want the complete blueprint, then drop the word growth in the comment section and I'll send it to you. This blueprint will give you the confidence, clarity, and the tools to use and grow your business intentionally and profitably so that you can stop hustling blindly. Now, this blueprint, which is the WhatsApp Sales Growth Bundle, is a digital resource that has 10 plus tools that will literally help you sell out confidently on WhatsApp. It will help you sell out with structure, sell out intentionally, and sell out consistently. You literally be packing money on WhatsApp even if you're a beginner. You understand? Like you'll be selling out with less stress. If you are tired of being confused and working, without structure, working without clarity, then this is a tool you need to check out. Check the description box with the link to access it. Now, before I dive into the real topic, I want you to have the right mindset. I want you to understand that you are a solution provider and you are here to provide solution for people who have that problem. You understand? Now, buyers are out there looking for the solution to their problem. So you are a solution provider, you're not just a business owner. You are there to attend to people that have that problem. So you have to have that mindset first. So now you are attracting buyers, not viewers. Not people who are just there for vibes and watching your status and laughing. You are here to provide solutions. So you have to act like a solution provider and attract buyers, not just viewers. Okay? Now, how do you actually attract buyers on WhatsApp? You have to post problem-centered content. So your job is to enter their mind where the problem already exists and talk about that problem. Talk about the problem and the solution. Do you understand? Now, when you're talking about this, you're attracting buyers, you're not attracting people that are just viewing. Because you are talking about something that is interesting to the buyers. You're talking about something that will get their attention. You are literally hooking their attention by talking about their problem. What they are paying, you're talking about it. Okay, let me tell a story. Like some time ago, just imagine that a lady is heartbroken. Perhaps the lady has been ghosted by a man. The lady is always chatting with the man. Every other day, the man is texting her, "Hello, beautiful, how are you? Hope you woke up fine and beautiful as always. Oh, I pray that your day is as beautiful as you are." Sending cute texts, sending money, calling and checking up on her, showering her with gifts, attention. All of a sudden, the guy ghosts her. Like the guy is no longer talking to her, the man is no longer showing her this attention for days, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. No call from the guy. Even when the girl decides to check up on the guy, maybe be like, "Hello, how are you? Are you okay? Is everything alright?" The guy will just send one word, "Yes, I'm fine." Or one word, or maybe be like, "Yes, I'm fine." Just less attention. He doesn't act the way he used to act again. Now, this girl will be heartbroken, literally. You understand? You are there, the person that used to shower you with attention is no longer showering you with attention. Like the guy literally pulled away. The girl will be heartbroken and be wondering. You can imagine when the girl is scrolling through Facebook or WhatsApp or just going exploring, and then a content comes where the content is talking about how to act when a man pulls away or what to do when a man ghosts you. What do you think? That girl will definitely stop and watch that content. That content will literally hook her attention. She will not scroll past that content. She will stay there and watch that content. Why? Because she's heartbroken and that video is talking about heartbreak. It's talking about the problem she's facing currently and the solution. It's talking about, oh, what to do when a man pulls away, the girl is hooked. So the girl will consume that content, you understand? And if something is being sold, the girl will likely buy because that is her pain point at that moment and she needs a solution for that. You understand? So now, imagine you creating such content or like creating problem-centered content for a buyer or for someone that has that problem. Do you understand it now? You have to create videos that will make your audience be like, this video is for me, this is the problem I'm facing currently. For instance, let's say you're a clothes vendor and you make content like 3 mistakes that you're making when choosing clothes for your body type. Definitely, it will hook the attention of someone that is looking for clothes that will suit her body type. You understand? Maybe if she has an hourglass, definitely she wants a clothes that will suit her body type, or maybe inverted triangle body type. Do you understand it now? So moving on to the second one. If you want to attract buyers and not just viewers on your WhatsApp status, then you have to speak directly to one person. Buyers will react when they personally feel spoken to. Now, viewers will respond to general content. Anything that appeals to them because they are just viewers. You understand? You bring comedy, they laugh. You bring educational content, they listen to it. But buyers, they respond to specific content. They respond to content that speaks directly to them. Remember, now, you are not to speak to everybody. You understand? You have to filter out the people you are talking to using your words. You're not talking to everybody, so be conscious of the words you're using so that it will appeal to those people. Like me, I'm talking to business owners, so I will know what to say to business owners and how to address them and even tell them call their names, business owners. You understand? Now, if you're talking to new moms, you will be using the terms they understand. Use words they understand so that you filter out people that are not supposed to, that are not your audience. Don't talk to everybody, talk to only one person, which is the buyers. Okay? That's after you have drawn your customer persona. If you watch my previous video, you will hear where I spoke about talking to a particular person that's a target audience. Now, the third thing is for you to show results. Yes. Buyers, they need results. They want evidence. They want to see that this thing is working for another person before they can come and patronize you. You can't tell me that you're selling skincare products and then you don't have any before and after picture of someone your product has worked for. But when you bring that evidence, when you show us the testimonials, the screenshots, even the payment alert, the before and after pictures, evidence from other people that it has worked, then I'll be able to trust you and give you my money and be like, yes, bring it on. I want your product because I've seen that it has worked for another person, because I've seen that I can trust you as a business owner. Do you understand it? But when you are just talking all talks and no show, you're not showing us evidence, you're not showing working, then they will be like, let me wait, let me hold my money. I don't want to be disappointed. I'd rather be here suffering with my dark spots, than start having issues. Maybe I will eventually spend my hard-earned money to get it and then I will use it and it will become worse, or it will not do anything and then I'll start regretting. I wish I went to this vendor. So they want to see evidence. Once you start showing them those testimonials, those positive reviews, those, showing them what they need to see, those before and after pictures, they will literally start coming because now they trust you. Because buyers buy certainty. The next thing is for you to be very clear on what you do. Because if people don't know what you do, they won't buy from you. So you have to tell them who your product is for, your product or your service is for. Then you have to tell them the problem it solves. Then what they will get from it and what to do next. Now, who is it for? Is it for students, for business owners? Is it for new moms? Is it for, couples? Who is it for? You have to let us know. And then the solution. What problem does that thing solve? What would they gain? Because I can't spend my money for me not to gain anything. Definitely, you have to make it clear that okay, as you are bringing your money, this is what you are getting in return. Okay, and then what they should do next, as they are seeing your content, what should they do? Should they head over to a website? Should they drop a particular word? Then a link will be sent to them. That's the call to action. Tell them what they should do next. That particular one is very, very necessary. The fifth one is for you to educate before you sell. As a business owner, you are a teacher. You should be a teacher. You understand? Buyers trust teachers. Because now you have to tell us that you know your onion. As you are selling, be teaching us. As you are teaching us, we will tend to trust you. We will learn to trust you because we are like, yes, this person is savvy. This person knows what he or she is doing. But when you are not teaching us, we will feel like, are you sure she knows what she's doing? So as a business owner, you will learn how to talk. You will learn how to teach. You teach so that people will trust you. Okay? So you have to share tips, break down mistakes, explain strategies, and then give mini tutorials or lessons on your WhatsApp status. The sixth point is for you to use soft selling and not begging. Don't scare people away by sounding desperate. Oh, please patronize me. Oh, help a sister. Oh, support me. Oh, I've not eaten. Please, I need your money. Please. No now. Buyers don't respond to pity. They respond to value and confidence. You are a solution provider. Please show up as one. They have a problem, you're the one that has the solution. So please come with that confidence. Talk and act like I believe in my product. Because if you don't believe in your product, who is going to believe in your product? So don't start showing, in any way that they should pity you. Please buy from me so that I'll be able to feed. Hello, is it that you don't understand what you are, or rather who you are, or what you're selling? You don't understand what you're selling? No, now you have the solution, so please act like it. It's just like when you go to a hospital and you meet the doctor. The doctor is not going to start telling you, oh, I'm a medical practitioner. Please come and come so that I'll offer my services to you and then you pay me. No, the doctor understands that he's the solution provider. So that's why sometimes they will even be, acting anyhow, telling you have to make payment first, all those things, because they know that you desperately need their help. So your solution provider like it, okay? You have to show up confidently, you have to talk confidently, you have to talk about your products confidently, okay? Confidence attracts buyers and desperation attracts silence. So you can say things like, this is for people who are serious about losing weight. You understand? That confidence is there. The second point is for you to tell stories, not just facts. Stories sell better than explanation. Share how you struggled before you got the solution. Share how your clients struggled before you helped them. Share what worked. Share what changed. Okay? Share all these things. True stories. Tell stories. They help a lot. When people see themselves in stories, that is when they buy. If you change the way you post, you will change the type of people that message you. So I want you to effect that change today. Remember, not everyone will buy and it is okay. But don't post in desperation and don't beg for sales, okay? I have created a digital resource that has 10 plus tools and resources that will literally help you sell out consistently and then sell with less stress. You will literally be organized. It will make your life easy as a business owner that sells on WhatsApp. Now, you can check it out by going to the description box. You'll see the link there. Click it and it will show you how to get access to it. You understand? You get access to it by clicking the link. If you want to truly attract buyers and not just viewers on WhatsApp, remember what we discussed. You can go ahead to watch this video again to truly understand it. And if you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to attend to it, okay? I want to hear from you. Tell me your key takeaways. Which one do you feel I omitted? Which one was most interesting to you? Which one will you start trying out? Tell me in the comment section. And also, like this video. Also, share and subscribe to this channel. So I see you in my next video. Take care.